rescued pets to abandoned animals, the BVI Humane Society is doing their part to return them to loving families. You want to hear more? Stay tuned for this report.
This 284 Media News Update is brought to you by VI Motors Limited, a proud Napa franchise with an expert service department and reliable Toyota and Honda vehicle sales.
Tucked along the road to Josiah's Bay Beach, the BVI Humane Society is quietly giving abandoned and neglected animals a second chance at life. From playful puppies to rescued cats, the shelter has become a place of hope for animals waiting to find loving homes once again. General Manager BJ Basundat says many people still do not realize the shelter has moved from its old location in Johnson's Gut to its larger property in Josiah's Bay nearly a year ago. But despite the challenge of being further from town, the mission remains the same.
Basically, what we do here at the shelter, we rehabilitate animals that found on the street, abandoned, neglected, abused. We try to give them a second chance in life.
Today, the shelter is home to around 75 dogs and 15 cats, all waiting for families to adopt them. Visitors will also find birds, rabbits, tortoises, and other animals that help create a welcoming environment for children and families visiting on weekends.
We also have, a few birds, rabbits, tortoises, but those are not really looking for homes. They're just attraction for kids to come by here on weekends, and elder people come by, we're trying to make it a little petting zoo. For the public out there, whoever looking for a forever home or a forever pet, here will be the place to come,
More than just an animal shelter, the Humane Society has become a community space. Volunteers are being encouraged to spend time walking dogs, playing with the cats, cleaning cages, or simply showing the animals affection. As a non-profit organization, the shelter depends heavily on public support. Basundat says while donations are appreciated, volunteers are just as important.
The shelter is an NPO, a non-profit organization, so we basically depend on the public for assistance to keep our doors open. Basically people always think, we always ask for money or we need money. No, we do not need money. We need volunteer. We need people to come and walk the dogs, people to clean the cages. Even if you could help cut the grasses, that will help cut back on some financial burden that we have to pay other people to do. We always need dog food, cat food, old towels, linen, cleaning supply, Clorox, paper towel, treats, collars, lead, and just you could come and spend some time with the animal and give them some love and support. Come read a story to the kittens. Come read a story to the puppy. Come spend some time in the cages. Every time and every minute you spend with these animals, you give them a better chance of being adopted and able for them to be out there to be more interact when they go into the new homes.
For Basundat, caring for animals goes beyond rescue work.
It's part of a family member. If you have one in your house, they make you happy, they comfort you, and they give you joy. And it's God creature, and we all should treat each and every animal and human being equal rights.
The shelter also promotes responsible pet ownership through partnerships with Paul BVI that offers free spay and neuter services, helping reduce the number of unwanted animals across the territory.
We work very closely with Paul BVI as well, which they offer free spay and neuter programs. So even if you have a dog at home and you don't want her to have puppies, we offer the service for free. Their number is 346-3011. You can reach them anytime, and they do have a very active Facebook page as well.
Residents interested in adopting, volunteering, or donating are encouraged to visit the BVI Humane Society in Josiah's Bay. Basundat says whether someone comes to walk a dog, feed a puppy, or simply spend time with the animals, every effort makes a difference. On the 30th of May, the organization will host one of its biggest fundraising events of the year, a casino night at Nanike from 6 p.m. to 1 a.m.
And just to let the public know, on the 30th of this month, we're having one of our major fundraising event, and it's going to be at Naniki Peg Leg from 6 to 1 a.m. It's our gaming night, and that's one of our major fundraising throughout the year. It's a casino night, so look at our Facebook page, look at on the news, and you will see, what it's all about and what to offer when it comes to it.
The organization also works closely with schools across the territory, offering volunteer and community service opportunities for students. Basundat says visits with animals are also made to elderly homes, bringing comfort and companionship to residents. Britannia Whittle, 284 News.
Across the Virgin Islands, drivers have trusted VI Motors for generations. For 60 years, we've delivered dependable transportation, expert repairs, and quality parts, all under one roof. As a proud Napa franchise, our parts department carries leading brands like PPG Paints, Magic Accessories, Top Don Diagnostics Tools, Westlake and Goodyear Tires, plus reliable LTH batteries. Everything your vehicle needs to perform at its best. Our expert service department handles maintenance, diagnostics, and repairs you can rely on. And our vehicle sales team offers trusted Toyota and Honda vehicles built for island life. We proudly serve you at 2 locations, our flagship store in Dove's Bottom, Tortola, and our location on Virgin Gorda. From parts to service to sales, we're committed to you every step of the way. VI Motors, service beyond the call, serving the Virgin Islands for 60 years.